Yeah, see, look, he's well off the line. Like I say, shows how much slack there is. Yeah. Yeah, when you think the size of the vessels coming in and out of here. And hopefully the camera's picking it up, but over there in amongst the sand dunes, it's still a nudist beach. So you walk round with your ball bag swinging around and a man comes up, carry your bag, sir.
Yes, there's a few exhibitionists, shall we say, that use that beach, that people like being watched.
You've got to have a big old schlong on you though, and you to walk around like they do.
Yeah, I know, but there are, like I say, there are a few that go down just so people can watch them doing things.
Yeah, I've grown up, I don't do that anymore.
There was a thing in whatever the local bloody rag is down Swanage. Someone was walking their dog and this couple invited him to join in because they was midpoint, you know, and they said, come and join in.
Oh yeah, you're going to cut across and cut me up, are you?
Yeah, that bloody bike cut me up as well. The one that pushed his motorcycle in front.
Now where's the geezer that shows you...
He's on the left-hand side there,
right,
hiding in the shade.
What lane you going in, matey boy?
I'm going in the middle.
Now, he should call us down the front.
Yeah. On your left, he's coming by.
No, he wants us over there, right over there.
He's waving me over. I thought, well, I will move over if that car
coming down next.
fucking slows down and stops trying to push past me.
In gear.
Definitely in gear.
That's good, because the 360 should be getting all this now.
Yep. I'm going to turn my camera around on my nice new mount.
Oh, look, an old R1200R.
Ooh,
beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll turn my camera around so I'm filming the bikes behind me. Steve, the bike and Grandad, gave me a link.
For what?
To this tripod mount. It's got little serrations on it, so as long as you can click it round.
Oh yeah, I got one at home still in the packet.
Oh God.
It
tells me after I've bought one.
Oh, do you good, tight bastard. I got one and I had it down on the lower crash bar.
Yes.
But as you say, if you turn it the wrong way,
it unscrews itself.
It undoes it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've got to remember to turn it clockwise. But when I only had the one camera, I thought that'd be ideal because I could, you know, film myself and then spin it round, film the road.
Yeah.
But now it's been relegated to, oh, that's Nigel's camera angle now. Thank you.
Hello. Cheers, bud. Here we go, we'll land up over here a bit.
As long as we don't get down to that red buoy, we'll be fine. Well, Stegra's just picked up that we're moving. As we started moving, she said navigation started.
Ah. Oh yeah, so it is.
Yeah.
I tell you what, I find it really accurate.
Very accurate, yeah. Well, a few more tests and then it'll be like, yes, we'll buy
like you say, it's just getting used to that interface.
Yes.
Joe said he's going to buy it.
Yeah.
I mean, I do. I think it's better than my route app.
Yes, they've all got their own little quirks, haven't they? But
yeah,
like you say, it's getting your head round the software and that, and then like that little thing where even though I stopped navigating, it carried on, and it was chunting away to me. Once I found out I had to take it off of maps, it was fine. Put it back into my file.
Are we going to have coffee in Swanage or an ice cream or something?
Be rude not to, wouldn't it?
Or coffee and ice cream?
It's not a riding day today, is it? It's let's see how many times we can stop and how long for.
Well, it's a Bertie bonus, isn't it?
It is, yeah. Surprised they haven't got a bike shop in bloody Swanage.
What are they scrubbing off of that ramp then?
Seaweed.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you see it.
See, if they was really clever, they'd have a flat blade and just scrape it off.
Scrape it, yeah. Drop it down into the water, it'd be in fucking France by 4 o'clock.
Yeah, if not, it'd be on the Needles beach. 3 blokes to scrape off some seaweed.
Like you say, a big fucking blade would do it better, wouldn't it?
Exactly, yeah.
But then it wouldn't get in the slots, would it?
No, that's true. Yeah, whatever he's using is no sort of chemical whatsoever, is it?
Nah.
Noisy
Must make a fucking fortune, wouldn't it, this ferry?
Yeah. The thing is, it's only £1 for a bike.
Yeah, that's reasonable, isn't it? That's,
if you make it reasonable, people are going to use it, aren't they?
He look happy fucker, doesn't he? Don't turn your wheel.
Oh no.
Oh, smell it?
Yeah. I'm coming up your inside. There we go.
Woo-hoo. And I like this because when we get to the toll booth, you just go to the side and drive straight through.
Okay.
Whereas the cars have to go to the kiosk.
So if you get so far, can you turn around and go back without paying?
Well, you pay the other side, don't you? So if you're going this way,
yeah,
matey will have you on the, unless they make you pay this side.
I was just thinking you could come over, use the cafe and then go back without paying, couldn't you?
We're going where he is, look.
Motorcycles and cycles.
Yeah. So what we used to do on the ambulance, we'd phone ahead and say, coming through with a life threatening,
yeah,
and they'd hold the ferry for you.
Yeah.
And stop anyone else going on. We'd go on, they'd run us to the front, and then they'd chuck a few on behind us quickly, so it's not a completely dead run, and then whip us across.
Yeah. It's like with White Link and Red Funnel, you know, people say, oh, yeah, any chance I can get on? They say, no, we're full. And they say, well, it's gut there, and they sort of yell at us for an ambulance. And I have seen it where an ambulance needs to come on and we've just left, and they sling it in reverse, back up again, ramps down, let the ambulance on, and I'll tell you what, that's the quickest crossing you'll ever do.
Oh yeah.
It cuts it from an hour down to about, I think it was about 35 minutes. They opened her right up.
I presume that one is governed speed-wise because it's on chains.
Yes, yeah. I would possibly say it can go quicker if it wanted to, but
I can never remember what speed limit is along here.
Of course I haven't got it up, so I couldn't tell you.
No.
But we must be somewhere near because no one's trying to overtake us, and they're all locals.
You say that's the first time you've been across that one?
On a bike.
Is it?
Yeah, I've been across on a car in the car a few times, but you know, from my house I'd rather take the long way round. I don't really want to be driving down through Poole and...
I see it does say 60 above the 24 miles an hour.
Oh yeah.
Now I don't know whether that's the speed limit for the road we're on. We'll have to keep an eye on it and see if it changes when we get into town.
Yeah. I never even looked that closely, but yeah. Now you've pointed it out, I can see it.
It's a tree stump.
Yeah, don't want to hit that.
Right, we're going into a 40. Let's see if that changes above the actual speed. Still saying 60. 40. Yeah, so that tells you the speed limit.
Hey. Bloody small though, isn't it?
There's old Harry, look.
Yeah?
Yeah, it is. I say.
Smiley, wasn't she?
Do you know what? Every time I do that, it fires up that Google Gemini thing.
You've obviously got the posh version then, haven't you?
Horsey.
Ooh.
She looks fucking like she's shitting her. Oh, look, he typed
LSD.
That number plate's worth a fortune.
Yeah.
LSD. Tripping, man. A big trail of bikes meandering down behind us.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it?
Oh, I should be in trouble. I forgot to put the washing out this morning.
Oh. Well, you got
What I'll do, if I get home in time, I'll put it in the tumble dryer and make out I had it out on the line.
And if she comes home and it's in the tumble dryer, he's like, yeah, just freshen it up a little bit, love.
Yeah, just freshen it up.
It was so nice outside, it went hard.
Just taking the edge off it.
Yeah. Swanage Bay.
Swanage.
Again, we was down here with the kids up in the back corner there, on where the shingle beach is.
Oh yeah.
Because it was like sardines down here, so we shot up over the cliff and dropped down.
Over there?
Yeah.
Now hopefully when we hang a right then a left down through the town,
Yes.
because I mean there's bike parking up here somewhere.
There is.
Is it here? Solo motorcycles? Yeah, there.
Yeah.
But I mean if we can find one down through the town in the parking spot, that'd be ideal.
Isn't there one just past the chippy? There's a blue chippy on the left hand side. If you come round,
Yeah.
turn left at the Swan or whatever it is pub. I think there's bike parking. There's definitely bike parking at the top of this road. It's full up,
See,
isn't it?
there's bike parking there, isn't it? But
Yeah, that's full.
we're a bit bollocksed. But there's like spaces here, look. pay it machine.
Yeah, if we don't
Hey
pick bike
Cardo,
parking, they charge
unmute
us.
audio.
I'm sure there's some further down here.
It just bloody, it just muted me audio thing. I'm just trying to think where. Blah, blah, blah.
Hang a left, yeah.
Left?
Yeah. And as we go round.
What about if we just park it up on there? Look, there's a couple of lads the other side of that.
Yeah. Let's see if you need to pay. See if they've got bike parking. Oh yeah, we okay to park here?
Fucking hell.
Yeah. Okay, lovely. Thank you. Yeah, well, you're going to be here like 20 minutes or so yeah. Thank you. Yeah, just chuck a donation in. I'd rather do that than pay the bloody council.
Oh, defo. Yeah, definite.
She goes, we do shut at 4. I said, that's all right, we won't be long.
Time is it now? Oh, 3 o'clock.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Now, we thought you'd have been out here in a deck chair, in your bikini.
No, that would not be a pretty sight.